Discover the fastest and easiest baked salmon recipe featuring a creamy honey mustard and mayo glaze. A healthy dinner that's ready in just 15 minutes. The creamy mayo and sweet Dijon honey mustard create a moist, tender, and delicious salmon fillet perfect for any occasions. Serve it with rice, veggies, or salad for a complete meal. This is the fastest and easiest salmon recipe I know. As it bakes, the fish becomes perfectly moist and flaky with almost no effort. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, especially if you line your baking sheet with foil or parchment paper. In just 12 to 15 minutes, the salmon becomes tender, flaky, and full of flavor. There's no need for fancy techniques or constant monitoring, just set it and forget it. It's a stress-free, foolproof method that even beginner cooks can master. This baked salmon with a creamy honey mustard and mayo glaze is moist, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. Perfect for a healthy weeknight dinner and ready in just 15 minutes. Serve it with rice, veggies, or salad for a complete, protein-packed meal. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.